just to kind of show you what we're dealing with and why we can't get internet. Privacy is awesome, but with all these trees and everybody has a certain number of acres, so you can't see anybody. Yeah, nobody's gonna run internet lines out to us. Alright, we just got our Starlink internet. We're gonna do the unboxing. Really sturdy. This is metal. This is the tripod base. We actually ordered one for the roof as well. That'll be in a couple days, so we'll try it out today through the doggy door just to kind of see. We got 100 foot of cable. Everything is really nice and thick, wrapped in rubber. Nothing's going to happen to it. It's connected here. It doesn't look like it disconnects. When we flip it over too, I was kind of worried about snow, having snow off of it, but it's flat. It's not really like a convex bowl or anything, or concave, so I think that's going to work really well. It's pretty heavy too, so high quality build here. It comes with the modem. This could be a router, not sure. Kyle will tell me. And a power supply. So let's go get this thing set up. Alright, we got it set up. So as far as we can tell in the app, the satellite is kind of that direction. We do have some trees in the way, so we'll see how that goes. It's probably going to work better now than in the summer, possibly, when there's leaves. So that'll be another test. For now, we're just going to run it through the dog door, but we're actually going to put it up on the roof. There's a bedroom up there. I don't know if I can get far enough back for you to see, but it's like a Cape Cod style, and on the front there's a bedroom. We're gonna put it out that window. We got a different mount on the way from Starlink that we're gonna use for that. So just run the cable inside and see how it goes. Okay, so we did forget one part of the setup. We do have to actually set up the app. So as you can see, the dish kind of moves on its own to find the satellites. So we're going to start setup here in our app. Alright, so we just barely had enough to get all the way up through the house. We've got our modem connected to our router sitting on the desk, and then we got the cable plugged into the power supply. Let's see how it does. So overall, I would say pretty cool and a lot faster than Viasat. And just for the sake of transparency, we are paying $160 a month for Viasat, and we are getting 100 gigabytes a month. For the Starlink here, it was $4.99 for the equipment, and then it's going to be only $100 a month, so it's going to be a big savings. And also there's no data cap, so it's unlimited for that price. It's cheaper and it's unlimited, and it's a shit ton faster. So pretty happy. We'll probably have to take a look at it again though once the leaves start coming back in, but yeah, we'll see. I think it's going to be great.